The automotive industry has always been at the forefront of technological innovation, and one of the most transformative developments in recent years has been the integration of artificial intelligence, or AI, into car manufacturing. AI is reshaping how cars are designed, produced, and tested, enhancing efficiency, quality, and safety. From assembly lines to supply chains, AI plays a crucial role in making the process faster, more precise, and cost-effective. AI-driven robotics has significantly changed the landscape of car manufacturing, particularly in assembly lines. Robots powered by AI can perform tasks that require precision, consistency, and speed, such as welding, painting, and assembly of parts. These robots operate alongside human workers to improve production efficiency, reduce human error, and eliminate repetitive strain injuries. AI-powered robots can also learn from their environments. For example, they can detect variations in production or changes in vehicle parts, allowing them to adapt in real time to new conditions without human intervention. This capability not only boosts productivity, but also ensures higher accuracy, which is crucial for ensuring the safety and performance of vehicles. One of the most valuable applications of AI in car manufacturing is predictive maintenance. Machines in factories are subject to wear and tear, which can lead to costly breakdowns and delays.
With AI, manufacturers can monitor machinery and equipment in real time using sensors and data analytics. AI algorithms process this data to predict when a machine is likely to fail, allowing maintenance to be carried out before the breakdown occurs. By minimizing unplanned downtime, predictive maintenance enhances the efficiency of the production process, reduces costs, and extends the lifespan of factory equipment.
AI is also transforming the automotive supply chain. Car manufacturers rely on complex networks of suppliers, and ensuring that parts arrive on time and in the right quantities is critical. AI-powered systems can forecast demand more accurately by analyzing historical data, market trends, and even external factors like weather conditions or geopolitical events. AI can also optimize inventory management by predicting exactly when parts are needed, thus reducing excess inventory and storage costs. This streamlines production schedules and ensures that car manufacturers can meet consumer demand without delays. Ensuring that every car that leaves the factory meets stringent quality standards is vital for automotive manufacturers. AI has made significant strides in quality control, helping companies detect defects that human inspectors might miss. AI-driven vision systems, for example, can perform real-time visual inspections on parts and finished vehicles, scanning for scratches, dents, or inconsistencies. Machine learning algorithms also help to analyze the root causes of defects. By identifying patterns in production data, manufacturers can take proactive measures to eliminate these issues before they affect the final product. This helps in reducing defects, improving product quality, and enhancing customer satisfaction. AI is transforming not only how cars are made but also how they are designed. AI-driven simulations are helping automotive engineers test new designs virtually before physical prototypes are built. This significantly reduces development time and costs, allowing for faster innovation and the creation of vehicles that meet consumer preferences more accurately. AI tools also facilitate customization by enabling manufacturers to offer more options for car buyers. With AI, it is possible to tailor designs based on consumer preferences for interior features, exterior colors, and performance attributes, all while maintaining cost efficiency in the manufacturing process. The future of AI in car factories is closely tied to the rise of autonomous vehicles. AI is the cornerstone of self-driving technology, and its integration into vehicle manufacturing is growing rapidly. From sensors and cameras to software systems that allow vehicles to make real-time decisions, AI is essential in the design and production of autonomous cars. Manufacturers must build and integrate advanced AI technologies into the vehicles themselves. AI also plays a crucial role in testing autonomous vehicle systems to ensure that they meet safety standards before reaching the consumer market. AI in car factories is not only improving production but also enhancing the safety of workers. AI-powered systems monitor factory conditions such as temperature, noise levels, and air quality to ensure that the working environment is safe. In addition, AI can help prevent workplace accidents by identifying hazardous conditions or behaviors. For instance, AI can detect when a worker is in close proximity to a robot or an automated machine and trigger safety protocols, such as stopping the robot's movements to prevent injury. This collaborative approach between human workers and AI-driven robots leads to a safer and more efficient manufacturing environment. AI is playing a pivotal role in transforming car factories by improving production efficiency, enhancing product quality, reducing costs, and driving innovation. Its ability to optimize automation, predictive maintenance, supply chains, and design processes is helping car manufacturers meet the challenges of a rapidly evolving industry. As AI technology continues to evolve, its integration into automotive production will only become more sophisticated, enabling manufacturers to create safer, more efficient, and more customized vehicles for consumers worldwide. Gap 2S. As we look to the future, the role of AI in car production is set to expand even further. One of the most exciting trends is the development of AI-driven smart factories. These advanced facilities will use AI to manage every aspect of production, creating a seamless and highly efficient manufacturing process. Another promising area is the use of AI in developing autonomous vehicles. Car manufacturers are investing heavily in AI to enhance vehicle autonomy, aiming for a future where fully self-driving cars are a common sight on our roads. Despite challenges, the potential benefits of AI in car production are immense. The automotive industry can look forward to a future where AI drives production efficiency and leads to safer, more reliable, and environmentally friendly vehicles. Gap 2S. To truly appreciate the impact of AI in car production, let's highlight some real-world examples of companies successfully integrating AI into their manufacturing processes. Tesla utilizes AI to optimize battery production, ensuring high efficiency and minimal waste. Their AI-driven systems monitor and adjust the production line in real time, reducing errors and downtime. BMW uses advanced machine learning algorithms to detect defects, improving vehicle quality and reliability. Toyota enhances supply chain management with AI, predicting demand and optimizing inventory. Audi develops autonomous driving technologies through extensive data analysis and machine learning. These case studies show AI's transformative power in car production, driving innovation and efficiency. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more insights on AI and technology in the automotive industry.